In this video, I am going to solve question number 2 onwards from exercise 7a of D2 7th edition up till question number 1 that has been solved in the previous lesson, and you can find its link in the description of this lesson. So starting from question number 2, this is exercise 7a D2 question number 2. Topic is function. So a function f is defined by, we have got a function, so f of x is 6x minus 4, and this is defined for all the real values of x. Now what are the images of 2, minus 4, 1 over 3 and minus 1 by 2 under f? You need to find the images when the values of x are 2, minus 4, 1 over 3, minus 1 over 2. So when x is 2, you can use x equal to 2 in your function. 6 into 2 minus 4, that is 12 minus 4 will give you 8. When x is minus 4, the value of function at x minus 4 can be obtained when you will use x equal to minus 4 in your given function. 6 into minus 4 is minus 24, and minus 4 will give you minus 28. Then when x equals 1 by 3, use the value of x 1 by 3 over here. In place of x, it will be, x will be replaced by 1 by 3. 3 and 6 can be cancelled, so 2 minus 4 will give you minus 2. This is image when x is 1 by 3. The value of the function at x is, when x is 1 by 3, the image is minus 2. Similarly, this is image when you are using x equal to minus 4. So when x equal to minus 1 by 2, you can find the value of f. X in place of x, use minus 1 by 2. 6 into minus 1 by 2 minus 4. Now 2 and 6 can be cancelled. 2 3 times 6, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus 4 is minus 7, which is the image at minus 1 by 2. In this way you can find the values or the images at the images of 2, minus 4, 1 over 3 and minus 1 by 2. Then we have question number 3, given that the function, question number 3, fx is 5 minus 2x. Evaluate each of the following. Number 1 is f1. Now that means you have to use x equal to 1. In place of x, we have to use 1. So in place of x, I am using 1. 5 minus 2, in place of x, use 1. That will be 5 minus 2 equal 3. Part number 2, you have to find the value of f minus 2. Your given function is fx is equal to 5 minus 2x. So in place of x, use minus 2. In place of x, use minus 2. 5 minus minus plus 2 into 2, 4. Answer is 9. Part number 3, f0, which means in your function, which is fx is equal to 5 minus 2x, you are going to use 0. In place of x, use 0. So 5, 2 into 0 is 0. So your answer is 5. So this is the solution up to part number 3, and we have part number 4 as well, and that is, I have to find the value of f3 plus f minus 3. Given function is fx is equal to 5 minus 2x. First of all, find value at f3. Use x equal to 3. X equal to 3 in your function. 5 minus 2 into 3, that is 5 minus 3 into 2 is 6, that is minus 1. f3 is minus 1. Now find f minus 3, that is you have to use x equal to minus 3 here in your function. X is equal to minus 3 here. 5 minus 2 into minus 3, so that will become minus minus plus. 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 5 11. Now you got value of f3 and f minus 3, and we need to add them. Here they have to be added. So function value at 3 plus at minus 3, they have to be added. So minus 1, which is value at f3, and 11, which is value at f minus 3. We need to add them, so your answer is 10. This is the solution up to this part. Question number 4 is given that the function gx, question number 4, the function gx is 7x plus 4. Find the value of each of the following. Part 1 is the value of g at x equal to 2. That is quite simple. You just need to replace x by 2, that is 7 into 2 plus 4, that is 14 plus 4, that is equal to 18. Part number 2, need to find the value of g when x is minus 3. That means in place of x use minus 3. 7 x is to be replaced by minus 3 plus 4, that is minus 21 plus 4, well that is equal to minus 17. Part number 3, you need to find the value of g when x is 4 by 7, that is in the form of fraction. So x is to be replaced by 4 by 7 over here. 7x is to be replaced by 4 by 7 plus 4. 7 goes by 7. 4 plus 4 will give us 8. This is the answer. The next part, let me try to solve it over here. Part number 4, value of g0 plus g minus 1. Well, that is you are going to evaluate, you are going to find the value of your function when x is 0. So when x is 0, 7x plus 4 is 7 into 0 plus 4. I have simply used x0 over here, and then the sign of addition will be inserted. Then use x equal to minus 1, because here x is minus 1. So use x equal minus 1 in your function. 7 into 0 is 0 plus 4 minus 7 plus 4. So minus 7 plus 8, that is plus 1 is the answer for part number 4. And for part number 5 I need some space, and that's why I'm going to rub this one. So after that, just start part number 5, and that says you have to evaluate you have to find the value of this g1 by 7 minus g minus 1 by 7. So first of all, g 1 by 7 mean you have to use x equal to 1 by 7 over here as well as over here. So using directly, 7x is to be replaced by 1 by 7, x to be replaced by 1 by 7 plus 4. This is your complete function, and then insert this negative sign, and then you have to use x equal minus 1 by 7 and x equal minus 1 by 7 plus 4. But let me explain that this sign is to be changed because we have a negative sign over here in between, and this will change this positive into negative. Cancel 7 over here as well as over here. So you have got 1 plus 4 minus, okay, what about this minus into minus will become plus 1 minus 4, and they will be cancelled. So your answer is 2. So this is solution up to question number 4. Question number 5 is given that the function fx is question 5, and we have a function fx, and that is x by 2 plus 3, while gx is 3 by 4 x minus 2, and we have to find the values of, in part A, we have to find the value of part 1 is f of 2 plus g of 2. Now you have to replace this x by 2 over here. So that is equal to, basically just write down the function fx, just write down it over here, x over 2 plus 3, and gx is 3 over 4 x minus 2. Now just simply replace x by 2 and x by 2. You need to replace this x by 2 and this x by 2. It is 2 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into 2 minus 2. 2 goes, 1 plus 3, 2 and 4 goes, it is 3 by 2 minus 2. 1 plus 3 is 4. Well, plus you can take LCM over here. So it is 3 minus 2 because, sorry, it is 4, because if you are going to have the same denominator, we have 2 over here, you want 2 here, multiply 2 in the numerator and in the denominator to make it 2. So LCM is 2. So 3 minus 2 into 2, 4. What is it now? 3 minus 4 is minus 1 by 2, and that is, again you need to have the LCM of this. So 2 is again the LCM. Here you have got 1. So multiply it with 2 in the numerator denominator in order to have the same denominators to have the LCM 2. So LCM is 2. 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 1 is 7 by 2. This is the answer for part number 1 of question number 5 part A. Question number 5 part A, and then from part A we have part number 2. You have to find the value of f minus 1 minus g of minus 1. Well, that is simple. You have to use x equal to minus 1. So in place of x, use minus 1. Just use x equal to minus 1. Insert this negative sign. It's better to use a bracket over here to have the value of g of minus 1. So g is 3 by 4, and in place of x, use minus 1 minus 2. So that is minus 1 by 2 plus 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 2. Minus minus is plus, minus minus is plus. So 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, and now you can take the LCM, that is 4. Okay, and the 4 into 5, we have 1 over here, 4 into 5 is 20, and then 4 by 2 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3, 20 minus 2 is 18, plus 3 is 21 by 4. So this is the answer for question number 5, part A2. You can convert it into mixed fraction. You can divide 21 by 4, 4 5 times 20, the remainder is 1. So your answer is quotient to remainder over divisor, mean 5 whole 1 by 4 is your answer for this part. Part number 3, question number 5, part A, and then you have part number 3. Okay, and you have 2f4 minus 3g of 6. We need to evaluate this one. We need to find the value of this one, while f of x is given, that is x by 2 plus 3, while g of x is also known, that is 3 by 4 x minus 2. So what is, okay, just use this equation over here. 2 f of 4 mean use x equal to 4, so in place of x use 4 by 2 plus 3 minus 3. G of 6 mean in your function of g use x equal to 6. So 3 over 4 into 6 minus 2, simplify within brackets, so that is 2 plus 3 minus 3. You can simplify this one, 2 times 4, 2 3 times 6, 3 times 9 by 2 minus 2, so that is 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 3, LCM is 2, here you have got 1, so it will be 9 minus 4, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 9 is 9, 2 into 2 is 4, 5 into 2 10, minus 3, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4 is 5 by 2, so that becomes 10, minus 5, 3, 15 by 2, you have 1 over here. So again I am going to take LCM, that is 2, so 2 into 10 is 20, minus 1 into 15 is 15. So what would be your answer? 20 minus 15 is 5 by 2. So this is your answer for part number 3. Then we have part number 4 from same question 5, and that is need to find the value of 5f minus 2 minus 7g of minus 4, where we have got the value of fx. So I'm just putting that over here directly. Fx is x by 2, and then in the next step I will use x equal to minus 2, or you can replace it. In place of x use minus 2 plus 3 minus 7 g of minus 4. So here g is 3 by 4, x is minus 4 minus 2. So it is 5 minus 1 plus 3 minus 7, 4 goes with 4, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 minus 2. So 5 minus 1 plus 3 is 2, minus 7, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, 5 into 2 is 10, minus minus plus, 5 7s are 35. So your answer is 45 for part number 4. And then we have last part, that is what are the values of x for which fx is equal to gx and fx is equal to 17. So then last part number B, sorry for this, part number 4 has the answer 45. So then question number 5, part B. Question number 5, Part B. What are the values of x for which condition number 1 fx is equal to gx? Okay, and condition number 2 is fx is equal to 17. So fx is equal to gx. What is the value of fx? That is x by 2 plus 3, and that is equal to gx. This is 3 over 4x minus 2. So take LCM on the left one as well as on the right side. Here you have got LCM 2 on the left, 2 into 1 is 2, and on the right 4 into 1 is 4. So 1 into x is x, 2 into 3 6, 1 into 3 x is 3x, minus 4 into 2 is 8. Cross multiply now. 4 will be multiplied with x plus 6, 2 will be multiplied with 3x minus 8. 4 into x is 4x, 4 into 6 is 24, 2 into 3x is what? 6x, 2 into 8 is 16. Move 6 over here, 4x minus 6x is equal to minus 16 minus 24. When you will move plus 24 on the right side, it will become minus 24. It is minus 2x equal to minus 40, and x will be equal to minus 40 over minus 2. Well, that is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 for that condition. So x is 20 for this first condition, this one, when fx is equal to gx. Now for second condition, fx is equal to 17, what will be the value? Fx is equal to 17. Where is fx? This is fx. That means fx is equal to 17, mean x by 2 plus 3 equal to 17. Move it on the other side. X by 2 is equal to 17 minus 3. X by 2 is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 into 2. X is equal to 28. So this is solution up to question number 5 of this exercise 7a. Subscribe the channel if you haven't done it so. Thank you so much. Keep watching.